So as engineers, we have source control for our code and some of our projects, but we don't really have something specifically for 3D models. Well, we didn't until now. Echo3D has added a new version control feature for Pro plans and higher that lets you keep track of all of the changes that are made to the 3D model. This happens automatically. There's no need to commit or push your changes. Okay, let's get into it. So I'm uploading my own model of a fox. And next, after it's uploaded, you're going to click on the content card, and we're going to go to the model editor and mess with the materials a little bit. So because this has some polygonal edges, we're going to turn this to a disco ball. So we're going to go down to the metallic roughness and edit it, and here we go. We have this beautiful shiny disco box, and we're going to go back to the first option and apply to entry. And this will just take a couple of seconds, and we'll get a notification when the changes are made. Okay, great. We'll close the content card and go back to versions, and there we go. We can see that a change has been made and added to the history. Looks great. Okay, so now let's go back and revert to the original version. So we're just going to click on the content card, go to versions, and then click back on the change that we want it to revert to. And there you have it, the original fox. You can also define behaviors programmatically, like scheduling new versions of 3D content in advance in real time.